This is the fourth tutorial. We're going to create a simple surface for the sloping plane from 916.20 to 917.20. I made 4 point objects at each one of the corners snapping to the feature line. I just changed their display so that we can see them as the magenta X. The command was p-type. By selecting the point object, I can look at the properties and I can make sure that the elevations are correct, 916.20 or 917.20. Save. Now I'm going to create a surface just for this simple plane. Building pad. Building platform. Select OK. Expand the surface definition, and I'm going to add drawing objects. Right mouse click. I can name corner points, and I'm going to select just those 4 magenta points. Hit return. And you can see that the 917 contour appears on the plane. We can close the definition here. Tutorial done.